Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will know that how to reset Windows 11. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 7 and other operating systems. So let's start the video. Click on start button and after that click here settings option. Now type here under find a settings search box recovery option. Okay, you can see here recovery option is displayed here. Click on it. Now click here reset PC option. Okay, under recovery option. Click here reset PC option. You can see here there are two options, keep my files and remove everything. Okay, select here keep my file because we are not remove apps and setting from our Windows 11. So select here keep my files, don't remove everything. Click on it, keep my file. Now wait for some time. After that there are two options, one is cloud download and the second is local reinstall. Cloud download means we are download ISO file from Microsoft site. So click here cloud download. And local, if we have any ISO file, we will reset by the this ISO. So select here cloud download. Now wait for some time and click here next button. Okay, wait for some time. Now guys click here reset option. Okay, ready to reset this PC, click here reset. So wait for some time until complete this process. So guys, I hope you will know that how to reset Windows 11. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you so much.